Alright guys, we just climbed that hill up there. Where is it? Can't even see it from here.
Can't even see it from here.
Way over there somewhere. We're wiped out, but you know what? We want a burrito.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a
So we walked back over here. And Mercy said, my God, I can't believe I'm walking again.
Walking day.
But here's what we're walking for. Walking for this. Big old pastor block of meat here. Check it out. It's on it's automatic turner here or something. It's got a motorized spindle. It just turned on its own, didn't it? Oh, he did? All right. I thought it was seeing things. Yeah, giving a nice char. Here goes the piña. Just in time for setup. You guys just setting up. Look at all the cebolla here. Oh my gosh. You got asada ready to go. Chicken here. Sausage, right.
Cabeza, lengua.
Oh, some tongue.
Chile.
Got some roasted jalapenos.
Brisket.
Brisket. Oh my goodness.
Stomach pork.
Oh, you got stomach on this side.
Yes, and then tripa.
Some tripe right there.
Testing.
Testing.
Pineapple and potato.
Little potatoes in there. Got it all boiling up. This is not ready yet, right?
Not ready.
Yeah, that's not ready yet. Got some good beans.
Rice.
Fresh rice. So, am I your first customer today? So we're the first customers already. We're a little early. Normally we come later. Yeah, look at all the goods here. They're ready for the night. They got a whole pile of cilantro, onion here, cucumber, radishes. They got it ready to go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Everything. Yeah. Oh, then they got a grill going over here. Got some asada over here grilling. I didn't even see that part. They just take over the whole sidewalk here.
You notice that tent is new?
A new tent. Oh wow. It does look like a brand new one today. Well, it's a great day. We got the new tent. First customers of the day. Everything's as fresh as it can be. Yeah, we're all set up, man. I wonder if they have to pay rent for this little spot, or if they just take it. Probably just take it until somebody says go, which I doubt they do here. Yeah, he's grilling over here, some asada. Wow. Well, what are we having? Pastor burrito?
Yeah. Tacos and burritos.
Tacos for you too. All right.
Yeah, burrito.
Burritos.
I always try to tell myself I'd rather do like 6 tacos, but then I fall back on the burrito.
I do the same thing. I'm partial to the burrito.
But the burrito is just so much.
The burrito has cheese, has beans, has meat, rice, everything in it.
Cilantro.
That's the way to go for me.
You ask for it.
Oh yeah. All right, let's order up. Let's get it going. All right, Mercy's got the pastor and asada going here, one of each. Dressing it all up. Careful with them sauces now. You know what happened last time.
No, but this one doesn't have any picante.
You sure?
Which one is? ¿Cuál no pica, eh?
No, sería este, el guacamole.
Solamente, lo demás no pica.
Los demás pues, son regulares. Y el que pica mucho es la roja.
This is the most hot. Yeah, you're gonna put a little hot on there anyway, aren't you? Yes. It's the flavors, guys. These flavors. Hot or not, you gotta have these flavors. And these guys do it right, I tell you. We just came from Mexico, and I love the burritos in Mexico. Don't get me wrong. Miche is my favorite burrito spot in Mexico.
Oh yeah.
As far as LA goes, this is the #1 spot for me. Not that I've tried a whole lot of burrito spots here. This is good. I can tell you that. They are right here. Let me see. What are we on the corner of? Cahuenga, I believe, Boulevard, and Yucca. Right here at the CVS, in front of the CVS pharmacy parking lot. These guys can be found here. So across the street is a Panda Express. What's the official name of your taco spot, guys? What's your name of your
Tacos Meming.
Meming?
Tacos Meming.
Tacos Meming. Yep. So that's where you find these guys. Let me get your business card, guys. You got one? I'll show everybody your card so they can call orders. Maybe you'd have to grab, pick it up. Uber Eats, not Grab. Maybe Uber Eats, they could be on Uber Eats. That would be convenient. Stop here and grab some of these burritos. Be good if they hooked up on there. I don't know how many street vendors or food trucks get to be on Uber Eats. Maybe they are. But a lot of people use Uber Eats here. Here's how they do it, guys. They got that toasted cheese. Oh my gosh. The smell from this is wonderful. Here's how they build it. Soften it up real good on that flat top. And get a little rice. A little bit of these beans. Oh yeah. Then the star of the show, the meat. And somehow or another, they get all this in here wrapped up. These are monsters, guys.
Onion cilantro.
See, por favor. There we go. That does it right there. There's the asada. We have pastors. Do you want a burrito with asada or pastor?
One more burrito.
One more? Or do you want to eat half mine? Maybe. Let's see how it goes. All right, here's one down the road. All right, here, I'm going to bring one over. Eric, you're up. You can even out that tan where you're sitting now.
Maybe.
It's pretty hot. Bad part about this time, oh, thank you very much, sir. Bad part about this time of day, eating here right now when the sun's not down yet, is it's hot out here. That sun, direct sunlight. Now here's their business card, guys. Tacos. I mean, let me get some light on it. There we go. There we go. There's their phone number, their Instagram page. You can pay by Zelle. Right there.
The whole menu's on the back.
Oh, and they got the menu on here. Oh, that's nice. There you go.
Everything they offer.
Nice. Boy, I'm blinded by the sun here, guys. I've got the sun directly in my face. It's not too often I got to take a break in the middle of a meal. My gosh. Look at the meat in this burrito. This is the other half. I got down half here. And I just got to wait. I got to wait a minute. Mercy over here, she went down half, but she had 2 tacos.
I have 2 tacos already, so.
And then a half of another one. You got a combo, you got a mix, pastor and asada. Eric's at the tail end of his down there.
Fighting it.
You're fighting it? I tell you, it's a good fight. It's a great fight. I love it. And here comes the tunes. Woo! Oh my goodness, guys, we did it. We ate it all. I ate all mine, at least. Eric ate his.
No, me.
Mercy's taking a little bite home. Delicious. You guys come over and see these guys. What's your name, sir?
Angel.
Angel's here. Yes, sir. You come and see Angel. He'll cook you up some great pastor burritos over here. You will not be sorry. And your name, sir? Felipe.
Yes.
Come and see Felipe. These guys make you some great, great food.
Yes.
I'm telling you, you won't be sorry. You stop over here. If you're in LA, Hollywood area, whatever,
Yeah, it's
Make it a-
cahuenga
make it a-
and
make it
And
a point
yuca.
to drive over here if you want a good taco or a burrito, I suggest the burrito. That is a big monster burrito. You guys saw it. All right, well, that's it for this day. We can't do any more with this day. We'll be lucky to get back. We're gonna be lucky to get back to the pad. It's just around the block. We'll make it.